We're currently standing on the edge of a massive shift in how we interact with the internet. We are officially moving away from manual searching and entering the absolute powerhouse era of AI automation.
Think about it for a second. What if your internet browser didn't just hand you a list of links, but actually did the clicking and typing for you? Imagine giving a simple command, and instead of getting a page of blue links that you have to meticulously sift through yourself, your browser acts as an autonomous worker. It navigates websites, it reads the data, makes decisions, and executes multi-step tasks entirely on its own in the background, all while you focus on high-level strategy.
The insights for this explainer are drawn directly from the comprehensive lessons produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, an educator and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan.
Okay, let's dive into this and contrast the old way of searching with what's happening right now. For years, traditional search engines like Google have functioned basically as simple directories. You know the drill. You ask a question, they provide a list of links, and you have to do all the legwork. But new AI-powered tools like OpenAI's Atlas and Perplexity's Comet are completely changing the game. They don't just search, they perform automated actions and synthesize massive amounts of data across multiple web pages on your behalf.
Section 1. Inside the Atlas browser.
Let's move to and see how this builds out in practice. To understand how this works, we just need to look under the hood of OpenAI's Atlas. Currently designed for Mac users, it functions essentially as a duplicate of Google Chrome, but with ChatGPT embedded directly into the core experience. You give a command, it researches, and then it acts. Now the genius here is in the access levels. The locked-in mode uses your existing sessions to navigate sites like Gmail or YouTube completely autonomously. But for strict compartmentalization, the locked-out mode requires manual password entry, keeping your most sensitive accounts totally walled off.
Moving right along to Section 2. Real-world AI automation.
Stepping out of the theory and into the real world, think about automated shopping. You can literally voice command the browser to find a specific water bottle within a 6,000 PKR budget in Lahore, tell it to avoid certain sites, and it will actually search multiple pages, pick the absolute best option, and attempt to apply discount codes. It's basically a highly caffeinated intern that never sleeps. For researchers or editors, it can search all of YouTube to find the exact timestamp where someone like Sam Altman discusses AGI. And for side hustles, well, you can automate it to scan platforms like Booking.com daily to find deeply discounted hotel rooms that you can then broker for a commission.
So, the crucial point is control. You might be wondering what happens when it's time to actually pull out your wallet and pay for that water bottle. That's where the Take Control manual override comes in. At any point, you can instantly pause the AI agent to securely enter sensitive information yourself, like your home address or payment details, ensuring you never hand over complete financial control to the automation.
Which brings us to Section 3, Accelerating Business and Data.
And this brilliantly illustrates the impact. Beyond daily chores, these browsers are absolute game changers for business strategy. Feed raw marketing or sales data into an agentic browser, and it instantly visualizes it for you. By just uploading a raw Excel sheet, the browser can instantly map out your ROI, showing you clearly that your email campaigns are driving the highest return, followed by Google Search. This empowers you to instantly pivot your marketing spend without needing to wait on a dedicated data analyst.
When it comes to executing these high-level tasks, your choice of tool definitely matters. While ChatGPT is highly versatile for general automation and creating a really seamless ecosystem, the source material notes that for deep research and generating complex, high-quality data visualizations, Claude is the superior powerhouse you're going to want to utilize.
Finally, Section 4, the early adopter advantage.
Whether you are using it to source suppliers on Alibaba, auto-draft highly personalized LinkedIn networking messages to ex-Google employees, or visualize dense sales data, the AI is now doing the heavy lifting. The reality we're facing is that this technology is evolving incredibly rapidly, and it's quickly separating those who automate from those who stagnate. To truly master these agentic tools and lock in your competitive edge, further your AI journey at the AAGHAZ Institute, Asia's first AI startup institute. The only question left for you is, will you adapt to this new era of AI, doing the legwork, or risk being completely outpaced by those who already have?